Okay, let's talk about the tiny brains running pretty much everything you own.
You see a microwave, right? But inside, a tiny computer is making it all work.
And it's not just the microwave. It's in your car, your washing machine, your TV remote. They all have this little dedicated brain. But what is it exactly?
To figure that out, let's just quickly break down how any computer actually works.
So at its most basic level, a computer has four main parts, and they're all connected.
First, you've got the CPU, the central processing unit. This is the brain, doing all the thinking.
Next up is memory, which is where data and instructions get stored for the CPU.
You also need I/O, or input-output. That's how it talks to the outside world.
And finally, the system bus. It's like the information highway connecting everything together.
Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. You can package those parts in two totally different ways.
On one hand, the microprocessor. On the other, the microcontroller. They look alike, but they're not.
See, a microprocessor is just a CPU on a single chip. It's only the brain.
But a microcontroller, that's the whole computer system on one single chip.
So think of it like this. A microprocessor is just one part of a bigger system.
While the microcontroller is the entire system, all self-contained and ready to go.
Let's make this real. We're going to look at a classic example, the famous 8051.
This is its penout. All 40 of these pens are its connection to the real world. Basically, you can group these pens into three main jobs: power, control, and I/O.
And those I/O ports are the real key. They're how this little brain actually controls stuff.
All right, so who cares, right? Why does this difference actually matter to you? Well, microprocessors, the powerful brains, are for complex devices like your laptop or phone.
But microcontrollers are the hidden heroes in billions of devices that do one specific job.
They're cheap, super reliable, and they basically automate our world from behind the scenes.
So look around. Seriously, how many of these tiny brains are running your world right now?